it is quite clear that the SAA was drafted on the basis of a common agreement between the European Commission and the Republic of Serbia and the governments led by Mr. Đinđić and Mr. Koštunica, on the basis of which there would be separate talks on the SAA and separate talks on the future state of Kosovo. And everybody had agreed to that, and that was agreed by those criticizing and signing this agreement today. The other thing I would like to say is that the SAA is absolutely acceptable to Serbia, not just in terms of our economic relations with the countries of the European Union and the European Union as a whole, but also when it comes to the territorial integrity of our country, because in Article 135 of this agreement there is a reference to the Resolution 1244, and there is no prejudice to the final status of Kosovo, and the final status of Kosovo can only be determined within the United Nations institutions.